Hi folks, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. I'd like to walk through a 2020 Northwood Arctic Fox. This is a 25Y. I really like this unit. As you can see from the outside, it just looks really sharp. You've got a power jack, power awning, which gives you a lot of protection from the sun and the rain. You've got outside speakers, which really helps your outside environment just reflect who you are and what you like to do when you're out camping. I really like the solid step. This helps when you're loading your vehicle with all the goodies that you want to take camping with you. If you look inside, the dinette is just a great floor plan. The dinette is very deep, and so you don't feel like you're boxed in or anything. You've got lots of big windows in this unit. The queen size bed is completely walk around, and it does have cabinets above and on both sides. You've got nice lights above each of the sides on the bed there. The counter space is extra, so you've got a little extra loop there, which is very helpful when you've got more counter space. I like the reclining chairs. Those look super comfortable, and they are. I've sat in those. They're great. It just has a lot of class to it. This is a great unit. I know that you'll love it. Come and look at it. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. I'd love to walk through this unit with you. Please give me a call. Thanks. Bye.